Now, to start off with our little alien watercolor painting, we're going to begin right here. Some of the things you're going to need are a piece of paper, you're going to need something to draw with, you're going to need some watercolor paint, some oil pastels, or crayons. And if you don't have those, you can always use crayons, markers, colored pencils. Now, we're going to start right here. We're going to make the ship for our alien. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to draw a nice, big sad face like this. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes straight across to connect it. And then over here, we're going to make two little lines that come down. And then we just want to draw another line right across to connect it. Starting here on the ends, we're going to make a little diagonal line here, and then another little diagonal line right here. And then I want to connect it with a nice big curved line. I'm going to draw a nice line that just comes right here to connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to make two little lines that come down. And I'm going to draw another little line to connect it. And then for some detail, we're going to add a few little lines that come down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a few little circle shapes for our spaceship. We're just going to add a few circles right around here. And right here, I'm going to add just a couple more little lines going right down here for some extra details. Now, inside of here, you can make your alien look however you want to. I'm just going to keep mine simple. I'm going to draw 3 little circles right in here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down on each side. And then a line that connects each one here. Right inside of here, I'm going to add a little black dot for a pupil inside each one. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes across. And a nice big curved line right here for the mouth. And then I'll add some little round teeth on the top and on the bottom. And right inside of here, I'm going to add some antennas by making a little line that curves up with a little circle at the end. And I'll put 2 little lines along the mouth. Then if you want to, you can always add a little hand that just goes up and make a few little fingers on here. So it looks like he's waving. Now, in the background here, we want to make a few little planets. And one of the easy things to do is to trace some different size circular objects. So it's nice to have a few different objects that you can trace in here. But if you don't have anything to trace, you can just try your best to draw some circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some circles and some curved lines. I'm going to make a big one down here. And I'm going to make some different size ones back here. So I'll make one that goes right here. I'll make a little bigger one up here. Maybe I'll put a smaller one next to it like a little moon. And then maybe over here I'll add another little small one. I like to kind of keep like an odd number of shapes in here. Now, once you're done with this, then our next step is to add some color to these. Now, when we color this, we're going to be painting our alien, and we're going to be using oil pastels on our planets back here. So the first thing is, let's start with our oil pastels and use them on our planets. Now, if you don't have oil pastels, you can always use something like crayons on here. Now, when using your oil pastels, you want to use some colors that go together. So like different warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows, things like blues and purples, blues and greens, yellow and greens, reds and violets, things like that. So what I like to do is when I'm making a planet is I like to start by making a dark color first. So I'll put a dark color on just a little bit of this, and I'm going to add just some little kind of curved lines on here, just so it looks like there are some stripes. Then I'm going to come in here with a little bit lighter color like an orange, and I'm just going to kind of color right on top of this, blending it all together. And finally I'm going to come in with a nice light color like a yellow that really goes with this. I'm going to blend that yellow right around the edge of here, maybe color on top of it a little bit more. Just kind of get some nice colors in there. And then you can do this with lots of different things. I can come in here and kind of color lightly with my oil pastel. Like I can use a nice little purple, just kind of lightly in there. Then I can come in with like a dark blue. Maybe I'm going to put some different little dots and things on here. Some little different size ones. And then maybe I'll come in with a light blue and then just kind of color over everything just to blend it in together. You can always use something like a paper towel too to kind of come in here and just blend everything together. But you're just going to go ahead and do that using some different little techniques. I can kind of make more of like a cool color one by using some different shades of green on here. Just coloring in nice and dark. And then I can come in here around those other areas with a nice little blue and then just kind of blend in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up these areas real quick with my colors. Now, when it comes to coloring this, I'm going to be adding some paint with this. Now, I'm going to be painting this, and when I paint this, I'm going to start off by painting this first. Now, when you paint your alien and the ship, you want to make sure that you're using some nice bright colors. So, since we're making an alien, I'm just going to go ahead and make him green. Now, you can make yours any color you want to. And when I paint the ship, I'm going to use some different colors. You could try to make it gray if you want to. But remember, when we start painting back here, we're going to kind of make like a space galaxy color. So we want to be careful not to use too much of like blues or purples, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start painting my alien and the ship right now. Now, after you finish painting the alien and everything, then we want to begin in the background. Now, when painting something like this in the background, we want to use lots of kind of dark colors, and we want to use a lot of water with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a lot of water onto my paint. And when I do this, I'm going to be kind of like dotting some of the color on here and using lots of water like this. So I'm going to be kind of doing this in some different little areas. I'm going to be mixing some different colors. So I'm going to keep this really wet, really watery. I'm just going to add some different dark colors. So we're going to go in here with some purple. And we're going to kind of add this right around here in some different areas. You want to use a bigger brush. You want to work a little bit faster just to kind of make this. Then I'm going to come in here with some dark blue. And I want to do the same thing. Get the paint really wet. I want to use a lot of water, and I'm going to kind of dot around here as well. I'm going to let it kind of blend in with some of these different colors. So I'm going to let it just kind of blend in with the purple. Be careful, try not to get too close to your spaceship right now, because we will do some different things with that later. So I'm just going to add some of these different blues and stuff right around here. And we just want to use lots of water with this, so our paint can kind of spread, blend together. And then after I have it kind of filled up like that, I'm going to come in here with some black paint. I want to be careful because black will kind of cover everything up. So I'm just going to kind of come in here with some black paint. I'm going to keep it nice and watery so it doesn't get, all over and start covering everything up. I'm just going to kind of fill in some of those areas with the black paint. You can see how the blue and purple does kind of start to blend together. And the nice thing is if you get this on any of your planets, the oil pastel is just going to block it. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of take my brush and then just kind of blend some of this around, just kind of fill in these different areas. I'm going to get close to my spaceship now. I'm going to use this black with just a lot of water just to kind of spread everything around. I'm going to use a lot of water just to kind of blend all the colors together now. And we're going to go around and fill up this whole area. And there you go, there is your little galaxy painting with a little alien spaceship. You can see you kind of blend in all these different colors back here just to create something really cool. You can even go and kind of add little white dots with oil pastels for stars and different things like that. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.